These grilled reshmi kababs are so rich and tender they just melt in your mouth. The chicken is marinated in creamy white masala and grilled to the perfection for an amazing smoky flavor. This is one of the most premium and expensive kebab dish you will find on restaurant menu. And today I will show you how to make it easily at home. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Now let's get started and make this rich, creamy, delicious reshmi kababs. Let's start by cutting the chicken. Here I have taken one chicken breast. Cut this into thin, long, bite-sized pieces, lengthwise just like this. We will be folding each pieces and then put it into the skewers, so keep the slices thin and even. To prepare the white masala for marination, here I have taken 10 to 15 soaked almonds and cashew nuts. I had soaked this for 2 hours and I have peeled the skin off of the almonds. Put them into a mixer jar, add 2 to 3 green chilies, pour a very little water and blend this into a smooth fine paste. This is where the reshmi kebab gets that creamy rich taste. Here to the chicken pieces, add about a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt as per your taste, thick curd, it was in a strainer to remove the excess water, about 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, cashew almond paste which we had prepared earlier, finally 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Give it a good mix. The goal is to keep this marination as white and creamy as possible. That's what makes reshmi kebab or Malai Kabab so special. Once we grill this will turn into beautiful golden color. The contrast of white and creamy marination and golden grill marks is what makes reshmi kebab so unique. Sprinkle about a teaspoon of kasuri methi. The thick masala is nicely coated. Let's keep this in a fridge for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours of marination, it looks perfect and it is ready to go into the skewers. I have soaked the skewers in cold water for an hour. Take each piece of chicken and fold it just like this and carefully push it into the skewers. Keep repeating this step and add 2 to 3 pieces to each skewer sticks. It's all ready. Let's go and take this to the griller. The grill pan is very nice and hot. I have added 2 tablespoons of oil to this. Carefully place the chicken skewers into the pan. Keep it in a medium flame and grill it nicely on both the sides. This will take at least 25 to 30 minutes. Look at this, perfectly cooked with beautiful golden grill marks on each piece and lovely smoky flavors. Let's transfer this into a serving plate. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful grilled kebab recipe. There is an interesting grilled baby potato recipe on my channel. Please do check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.